The BMW F800R is a versatile roadster designed to provide a balanced combination of performance, comfort, and practicality. It is an ideal choice for riders seeking a reliable and enjoyable motorcycle for both daily commuting and weekend adventures. With its solid engineering, modern technology, and distinctive design, the F800R has secured a strong position in the middleweight motorcycle segment. Engine and performance. At the heart of the BMW F800R lies a 798 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, delivering 87 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and 63 lb-ft of torque at 5,800 RPM. This engine configuration provides a smooth and linear power delivery, making it suitable for a variety of riding conditions. The engine's balance is further enhanced by a counterbalance shaft, reducing vibrations and ensuring a more comfortable ride. The F800R's 6-speed gearbox is precise and responsive, offering seamless shifts that complement the bike's sporty character. Additionally, the fuel injection system ensures efficient fuel consumption, contributing to a respectable range for longer rides. Chassis and handling. The BMW F800R's chassis is designed for agility and stability. The bike features a lightweight aluminum frame paired with a steel rear subframe, offering a perfect balance between rigidity and flexibility. This setup provides excellent handling characteristics, making the F800R nimble in urban environments and stable on open roads. The suspension system consists of a 43 mm telescopic fork at the front and an adjustable rear shock absorber, allowing riders to fine-tune the setup according to their preferences and riding conditions. The suspension provides a comfortable ride without sacrificing handling precision, making the F800R suitable for a variety of road surfaces. Design and ergonomics. The design of the BMW F800R is a blend of sportiness and functionality. Its sharp lines and dynamic styling cues reflect its sporty nature, while its practical features cater to everyday use. The bike's ergonomics are designed to accommodate a wide range of riders, with a comfortable seat height of 31.5 inches and an upright riding position that reduces fatigue during long rides. Technology and features. BMW has equipped the F800R with a host of advanced technologies to enhance the riding experience. The bike features ride-by-wire throttle control, allowing for precise throttle response and smoother power delivery. This system also enables the inclusion of different riding modes, tailoring the bike's performance to various conditions. The F800R comes with BMW's Automatic Stability Control, ASC, which helps maintain traction by adjusting engine output in response to wheel slip. This feature is particularly useful in wet or slippery conditions, enhancing rider safety. Conclusion. The BMW F800R is a well-rounded and capable middleweight roadster that excels in performance, handling, and comfort. Its versatile nature makes it an excellent choice for both urban commuting and longer adventures, appealing to a broad range of riders. With its robust engine, advanced technology, and rider-friendly design, the F800R continues to be a popular model in BMW's motorcycle lineup. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the world of motorcycling, the F800R offers an engaging and enjoyable riding experience.
Subscribe for more motorcycle reviews and tips, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications about our latest videos.